Dr. Rokeya Sultana, Honorable State Minister of Health and Family Welfare of the Government of Bangladesh, Professor Mohamed, who is the President and Director General of the National Board of Family and Population Ministry of Health, Government of Tunisia, and the Secretary of PPD Board, Dr. and Professor Tariq Tawfiq Amin, who is also a minister from Egypt, and then our Professor Dr. A.F.M. Ruhal Heg, who is the MP, Chairman, Standing Committee, and the Minister of Social Welfare, and the former Minister of Health and Family Welfare, the Government of Bangladesh. Also present are ministers from Gambia, Uganda, Zimbabwe, and China. Colleagues, board members, executive members, UNFPA team, our partners, good afternoon. Excellencies, good afternoon. You know, it is coming, anything that has a beginning has an end, isn't it? We are coming to the end of this function, isn't it? And we must be excited because you have achieved a lot. So on behalf of the board and the executive members, I want to read remarks as we come to the end of the 21st International Inter-Ministerial Conference on South-South Cooperation in Population and Development. I'm filled with a sense of pride and optimism. For sure, I'm filled with a sense of pride and optimism. Over the past few days, we have engaged in rich discussions, shared invaluable insights, and forged new partnership and membership that will undoubtedly shape the future of our collaborative efforts in population and development. First and foremost, I extend my deepest gratitude to the government of Bangladesh for hosting this significant event and to our organizers, partners in population and development, and the United Nations Population Fund, UNFPA, for their unwavering support and dedication to this cause. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, this conference has provided a unique platform for exchanging best practices and innovative solutions to the challenges we face in the realm of population and development. The diverse perspective and experience shared here have reinforced the importance of South-South and triangular cooperation in achieving our common goals. We have discussed at length the critical role of technology, innovation, and data in accelerating progress toward the International Conference on Population and Development, ICPD goals, and Sustainable Development Goals. The inspiring case studies, such as the use of digital technology for data collections and the social media space for youth advocacy and policy dialogues, have demonstrated the transformative power of digital solutions. Ladies and gentlemen, our discussions have reaffirmed our commitment to harness the demographic dividend by investing in youth potential and human capital. The importance of empowering the young people, ensuring gender equality. And there's something I learned this morning, that it will take us 102 years to reach gender equality, that we will farm the moon before we reach gender equality. And promoting health and education for all cannot be overstated. These are not just goals, but essential pillars for sustainable development. Ladies and gentlemen, the establishment of centers of excellences as proposed during our sessions will also be instrumental in fostering innovations, enhancing data utilization, and promoting collaborative research. These centers will serve as hubs for capacity building, knowledge sharing, and the development of scalable solutions tailored to our unique context. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, as we move forward, it is imperative that we translate our commitments into tangible actions. The implementation of the strategies and the recommendations discussed here will require concerted efforts, sustained political will, and the active participation of all stakeholders, including government, civil society, and the private sector, the youth, and the communities. Honorable members, I think we are at a very critical juncture of the South-South triangular collaboration. 30 years, I think April this year we celebrated 30th anniversary of ICPD. As you have seen in our presentations, The world is at a diverse stage. Countries dealing with declining, aging populations, and countries dealing with growing populations and youthful populations. I think we're at a juncture where we can learn from those who have already experienced and have already gone that process, and those who are going this process right now. So I think it is very important, as it was important in 1994, that again we recommit ourselves to the ICPD commitments. Let's all remember the importance of continuous monitoring and evaluation to ensure that our interventions are effective and impactful. By leveraging the power of data and evidence-based approaches, we can make the informed decisions and adapt our strategies to meet emerging challenges. In closing, I would like to reiterate my heartfelt appreciations to each and every one of you for your contributions to this conference. Your dedications, your passions are the driving forces behind our collective progress. Together, we have the power to create the future where no one is left behind. Let's return to our respective countries with renewed vigor and steadfast commitment in advancing the goals of the South-South cooperation in population and development. Thank you and safe travel to all. I look forward to seeing you the remarkable outcomes of our shared efforts in the year to come. Thank you and may God bless you.